With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question for today is that an urn contains 25 balls numbered 1 to 25. So suppose an odd number is considered to be a success. Two balls are drawn from urn with a replacement. So we need to find the probability of getting exactly one success. So we have been given that total number of balls equal to 25. Therefore, odd numbered balls equal to 13 balls, and we have to find the probability for exactly one success. So probability for one success is picking any one ball from even or odd, that is 2c2, into one success of odd, that is 13 by 25 for an odd ball and 12 by 25 for an even ball. So the probability we get for exactly one success is 2c2 into 13 upon 25 into 12 upon 25.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.